Hi guys, this is Thorn, and we're gonna do an Empire boxing today. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, I've been waiting for these for a while. Alrighty. Yeah, some bubble wrapping. Some Empire stickers. Actually got some pretty sick stickers. Alright. Starting off, we got my profile push stem in aqua. And I got it in 48. It's pretty sick. Nice Empire shirt. Yep. Damn, they got these. I'll use one sec. Damn, they wrapped these a lot. Alright, so here's my back wheel. We got the Federal Motion rim and chrome with white Empire forged spokes laced to the profile Aqua Mini 36 volt. Pretty sick. Yep. Alright, let's get another one. Jesus Christ. Yep. There's my front wheel. I got the same one. And Federal Motion. Some Empire Ford spokes placed to the Mini. Yep. It's pretty nice. Yep. And those are my wheels. And I'll go over to the other unboxing I didn't do for you guys. Had the Primo rebars, some ODIs, some Shadow Deadlocks. Got the E-Claw Maverick cranks with some Demolition Trooper pedals. Got the Vent Guard sprocket with the Supreme interlock chain. It's pretty fucking heavy. Got in copper. There's my Churchill frame as I showed you guys. Got some Odyssey R25s, some tie-dye Shadow Conspiracy headset. I got it the bottom bracket too. Got the Demolition Huff seat. It's pretty nice. I like the stitching. And I got the Shadow multi-tool. Oh, almost forgot. And I got some fucking premium CK tires. Pretty dope. Yeah. That's gonna be my bike. Can't wait to set it up and show you guys. Yep. See you guys later.